Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a motherfucking minute, but I'm back. And if you didn't know, well, now you know. So today is very special. I did get a very special package in the mail and it is so beautiful. I don't want to open it, but you already know that we have to jump in and just open it, and I have to share it with you guys. Definitely want to make my comeback to YouTube and have it come out strong. So what better way than to start off my new set of videos. I do have tons of content to put up. It's just a matter of getting it up. Life has been very crazy this last year, especially with COVID, so I do hope everyone has been safe, socially distancing, wearing their mask, as well as washing their hands and just being as safe as possible. But last year was very crazy. It really kept me very busy, not only with work but also just life in general, content creating. I really wanted to step away from the editing aspect of YouTube to really focus on my skill and being consistent with my content. So yes, let's just jump on in. This is most likely going to be a talk through. It could be a voiceover, we shall see, but I will be sharing with you guys a very special package, so stay tuned if you want to see what it is. Alright guys, so I did get a package. This is the PR package right here, and if you cannot tell what this is, I'm sorry, my camera's a little zoomed in. This is basically a piece of luggage. It's a suitcase, and this is just the cutest PR packaging I think I've ever seen, so shout out to them. Oh, by the way, this is from Yardie Couture Cosmetics. So this is a Europe-based brand, I believe. I'm 99.9% sure. So yes, it's called Yardie Couture. And if you don't know what a Yardie is, that is basically someone who's Jamaican, who come from yard, as they like to put, pretty simply. But it is a Jamaican-owned company basically, and I'm just super excited to be working with them, and I'm very thankful. So shout out to Yardie Couture Cosmetics for sending me this beautiful PR package. This is my second one. They did send me their very first kind of launch, which was their Escape to Paradise collection and airmail lashes. So I'm very nervous and also very excited to see what's in here. So let's jump on in. Alright guys, so let's just start off with some of the smaller things that came in the package, and one of them is the Clam mirror. So it looks like this. It's a little holographic Clam, and inside it's basically a two-sided mirror. So one is a one is not a magnified side, they're just a regular pocket mirror, so you can keep this in your purse, in your pocket, you can put it anywhere basically. The next thing that was sent to me was basically the entire collection. It's called the Sunsea Shimmer collection, and you'll definitely see how on vibe and trend and very much on brand it is for the company as well as for just the theme. So this is the holographic makeup bag, and inside of it we have the Fluidity brush set. So the Fluidity brush set, it looks a little something like this. So the handle is like a purple, blue, peach ombre, very much giving me mermaid, unicorn kind of vibes, and then the bristles are black and teal, and they're very soft. They're very soft. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I will be posting the look using all of these products in today's video later on or the day after, so you guys can kind of see everything in action and not just hear me talking about it. Or maybe I'll put it in one video. We'll see how this goes. But as I said, it's a 10-piece brush set. It comes with eye brushes as well as face brushes. So like a powder brush, foundation brush, or concealer brush, blush brush. You have some options. Alrighty, so this is the brush set in its entirety. As you can see, we have basically like a powder brush, contour, angled brush, kind of like a smaller kabuki brush, a shader or a flat shader brush, kind of like a concealer brush here, another powder brush, a small detailing brush or a smaller concealer brush, a blending brush, as well as a pencil brush. So you're very well covered in the area of brushes. So it basically gives you everything that you need to create a cohesive makeup look, and we will be putting these to the test today. I predominantly tell you to use these as toppers. They are strobes, which means they're shiny, reflective, and sparkly. So I would probably most likely use these on top of lip looks. So I wouldn't predominantly probably wear these alone, especially on my complexion, but it is very possible. Do what you want, makeup has no rules. Flash here is a white iridescent. It is a reflex of pink and orange, and I will show you the swatches in just a moment. We have Blaze, which is a peachy golden like gloss, and then Spark is my all-time favorite. This one is like a rosy peachy golden pink with like lots of sparkles and gold reflex. I'm looking over here because that's my monitor, but the packaging is so well done. Like, it's a glitter tube, but you know, a lot of times people that have glitter on their tubes, it like flakes off and it gets everywhere. That is very much not the case. It's smooth, it's so pretty. I want to put it on my lips right now. I actually want to put it all over, but anyway, these are the lip strobes. This one, I don't know how much wear I could probably get, maybe just in the center of the lip as a highlight, but I have some other ideas for this one as well. So those are the lip strobes. All right, next one I'm extremely excited for, and that is the Sun Sea Shimmer Palette, and it looks a little something like this. So it's very pastel, it has the ocean waves, it's glitter, it's just everything that dreams are made of, and this is the size of the palette, so it's a very nice size palette. All the prices and information will be listed here on the screen, as well as in the comments below, and the links so where you can find it. They are, as I said, a European brand, so just expect delays when it comes to shipping, and maybe a little bit higher of a price for shipping, but it's definitely worth it. And I'll definitely be showing you guys the companion palette of this Sun Sea Shimmer palette when I do my tutorial. But this is the palette. It's pastel on the inside, but let's just jump right into the inside. So this is the palette and all the shades. Now, the one thing to be noted about this palette is there are no matte shades. As you can see, they are all shimmer, and I don't know which color I want to start with first. I mean, they are all so beautiful. Like the yellow, the blue, they're just all so beautiful. And then the sparkle in them, it's so sparkly. As you can see, I already tested a few and swatched them for Instagram, but we're gonna definitely do some swatches right now. So I'm gonna show you in real time what it's really hitting for. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. All right, like, can we just take a moment? So this palette, being that there are no matte shades, it's not gonna be really, you know, a one-stop shop palette where, oh, I have everything I need in one place. This is definitely gonna be the perfect companion palette if you're starting your collection. These shimmers are all colors you would need: gold, yellows, white, gold, blues, purples, greens. It gives you a little bit of everything to match with another palette, which I love palettes like this where it's just all one, and then to use it with another. I never like staying in just one palette all the time. Sometimes I like to switch it up, add things together, and see how they turn out. So I really love this palette, and I can't wait to try it. So let's get into the Lash Splash lashes. So I was sent 5 of them, and just so we're very clear, I'm going to either put the videos over here or somewhere in the frame, but this collection of lashes are much shorter and smaller. They're much more minimal and natural. So if you're not a big fan of those large fluffy lashes, or you just want a lash that looks like a little bit of mascara, that kind of illusion, these lashes are gonna be for you. So I'm just gonna kind of show you far away, and then I'll put up the up close pictures of the lashes in the frame. But these are the style Undercurrent, Low Tide, Sea Breeze. This one is called Tsunami, and Tsunami is the thickest, I want to say, the thickest and most prominent and volumizing lash in the collection. So Hurricane,